Well, it's been a little while since I did a video, and supposedly it's going to snow this weekend. So the weather has been completely crazy. And, you know, I haven't been going into the greenhouse very much. I've been a bad plant and fish father. So hopefully we won't find any dead fish, but I think they're fine. I was in there last week and they look great. Let's see here. What's the outside temp? Looks like we got about 62 degrees or so Fahrenheit. Nice and warm. And now, let's go in here. It's going to be warm in here. Oh yeah. Okay. As you can see, the microgreens are not micro anymore. They're actually flowering. So I haven't been eating them fast enough, and they grow so fast I just can't finish them. I'm trying a new experiment. I am growing microgreens inside of this filter now. And as you can see, they're taking off pretty well. And this is just a new experiment. There's some mint in there that's popping up and some microgreens. But I figured why not, use this biofilter to also grow food. So that's what I'm doing. Little fish food. And let's see here. This is the mushroom chamber. I ended up covering it again because of the fact that the straw was drying out. There are some air vent holes in there, so it should be fine. But you can see that the mycelium is completely colonizing all of the straw. And there may actually be a mushroom over here. Let's see here. There may be some mushrooms already popping up, but I'll have to check that later. But you can see that it's getting fully colonized. It looks wonderful. So these are going to be wine cap mushrooms that should be popping very soon. And let's go over here. We got a couple of empty grow beds over here that I should be planting. But as you can see, the microgreens grow so fast that I don't know how many more of those I need. Temperature in the greenhouse is around 68 degrees or so. As you can see, the water level is a little bit low on the tank, but the fish are swimming around. They're eating their fish food now, which is actually dog food. And I'm going to dump the camera in there for a second and see if we can get a picture of the fish underwater, and hopefully it won't shut off the camera. Looks like that worked. Anyways, please subscribe. Hit the subscribe button and please watch other videos. And thank you so much. You guys have a wonderful day today.